Yeah.
Today in our kitchen we're back with another amazing recipe of Afghani Mutton Korma. It's absolutely delicious and really easy to make. First up, we're taking 4 tablespoons of oil, and then I'm going to add in my 1 kg mutton. You guys can make this dish with either chicken or beef. This dish is perfect with any type of meat. I've just chosen to make it with mutton. Now it's just the oil and the mutton. I'm going to mix this well together. I'm going to fry it in the oil until the mutton changes its color. We mustn't see the pink anymore. We're going to let this cook until you see the brown on the mutton. Make sure all the sides have changed the color. You mustn't see any pink at all. And there we go. Our mutton has been fried in the oil. Now I'm adding in the ginger garlic paste as well as the crushed green chilies. You guys can add in whole green chilies as well, but trust me, the crushed green chilies just give an extraordinary flavor to it. Just mix this together in the mutton. And now I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of salt. You guys can add it according to your taste. Maybe some people like to add in more salt compared to others. I've added in about 1 teaspoon. And we're going to mix this again. You can really see how delicious it's looking. Now I'm adding in 2 glasses of water. Now this is depending on my mutton. The glasses of water is up to you, how tender you want your mutton to be. If you guys are using chicken or beef, then you would use lesser than this. Or if you're using a pressure cooker, then you don't need to add in glasses of water. This glass of water is only to make my mutton tender. So it's up to you around how cooked your mutton is. So about 2 glasses of water will make it tender. So I'm going to cover it until the water dries up. So after about 5 minutes, the water has dried up. You can see the mutton is starting to look more tender. This mutton takes a bit longer than other meat. But 2 glasses of water should be enough to make the mutton tender. Just make sure all the water dries up. Now I'm going to add in my spices, black pepper, cumin seed powder and coriander powder. Just keep in mind we're not adding any red chilies in it. So you're going to smell and taste these spices. And it's absolutely delicious. I mean, we used to making everything with red chilies, and this is something different, and I think you guys should definitely try it out. I'm going to mix this together well. Now I'm going to add in my tomato puree. You guys can add whole tomatoes as well, but I just don't like to see the tomato skin in the curry, so I choose to prefer tomato puree. And it's almost ready. My tomato puree is almost mixed in with my curry. And now lastly, I'm going to add in my 4 tablespoons of yogurt, plain yogurt. I'm taking 4 tablespoons. So if yours isn't so thick, you should take more tablespoons of yogurt. And just give this a good mix gently. I'm just going to cover it so the yogurt dissolves. You can see it's looking delicious. I'm adding in fenugreek leaves. It smells so delicious. Just leave it for a few minutes and I'm going to cover it. And there we go. Our Afghani mutton korma is perfectly ready and it smells absolutely delicious. This is one mutton recipe which is really simple to make with simple few ingredients. And there we go, it's looking delicious. I cannot wait to try it. It's really simple and easy to make. Please do try it and let me know how it goes for you. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time.